Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Did you miss me? Well, coming right at you from the Rust Belt, we have a 2024 vehicle with only 10,000 miles on it, and we're putting new brakes on. Why, you might ask? Well, unfortunately, within the Rust Belt where we live, a mile away in 3 different directions to the ocean, the vehicle sat for roughly 5 months. And, well, as you can see here, we have a brand new rotor, brand new pads. Let's go to the rear. The customer said they were hearing a thumping noise every time they hit the brake. Sure enough, yeah, there's a thumping noise right there. There it is. There's one of them. This is a low spot caused by the brake pad. That's where this rotor, for 5 months, was sitting just like that. Then, when they actually broke it free, you could see how thick of a layer of corrosion there is on this rotor, and that's just this rotor. And what I'm thinking I want to do is, I might just pick one of these rotors, measure it, and then see how much I have to take off on the brake lathe in order to get good metal, and then measure it again to see if we're within specs. So let's go to a front rotor. Let's see how the front rotor looks. So the fronts they're not that better. Yep, that's from me hitting the rotor to break it free. But yeah, this rotor is pretty bad. The inside face, nothing but rust. So we're changing everything out. Front and rear brake pads, rotors. And I think I'm going to choose one of these rotors to brake lathe. Yeah, here's the other rear rotor. That's where the brake pad was sitting, and this is where the rust was growing. Very good. Well, tales from the Rust Belt. If you guys don't know what to do yet, please like, subscribe, hit that bell notification for further content. Well, whenever it comes out.